Put on the maid outfit. I don't care what gender you are. Put on the maid outfit.
Hi.
Boom.
Wait. Wow. Spin.
Where am I?
Wah. Hi. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. One more thing I forgot to do. Uh, br- uh, 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 where the light? I ate it. I eated it. No, I updated the world so that it's not pitch dark at night, so I wanted to show it off. Hey. Yeah. And I think I have the music a bit too loud for myself. There. Wah. Wait, night. Yes. Can I get the... There's a big blue something in the distance. I did. Did you spawn the grill everything again? Maybe. Oh, we get dynamic day-night cycles now. It's not. I mean, there is not a cycle. I can just grab a sun gun and move the sun. And it's day now. And it's night again. Hi, Beplar. Hi. Yeah. Last time I updated my stuff that if someone redeems the maid outfit, which now that I said it, someone definitely will. It would play an audio, so I wouldn't miss it. I can grab a sun gun. It's quite a sentence. Yeah. I forgot to save it, so just before the stream, I was remaking it. So of course, as soon as I open Resonite, I go programming in Flux. Rawr. Yeah. And there is some pretty exciting news in the Resonite community. The Unity renderer is now open sourced. I can go and poke the code. I'm probably not going to do it because it would require me to install Unity, but I could. Do you still have Windows? Yes, I haven't booted it in a while. I'm keeping it until I figure out how to get Adobe stuff running. But I don't use Windows anymore. No, you. What Adobe stuff? Substance Painter, mainly. I have this is Pikachu and bloatware. Yeah. I have a VM that like a Windows VM that I have Lightroom set up in.
I don't care what gender you are. Put on the maid outfit.
You did call this out earlier. Who was it? Who am I eating? Roxas! You! See, wow. Beans? That I still need audio for beans. I don't have the audio. I don't have an audio clip for it. And how do I? Beans. appropriate. Hey, wow. Give me a second. Mm, Well, this is not the outfit to do this in. Nope, no beach. There you get this guy's beans. Yeah. There, beans. I got distracted. What was I talking about? I don't know. You saw nothing. Um. uh. There you have beans. Yeah. What was I doing? Yeah, I need a clip for the beans. Where do I find a clip for it? I need an audio clip. Um, I don't know. Couldn't help but notice your. Why is everyone being so sus today? I expected baked beans and is slightly disappointed. Yeah. Baked beans would be good. Yes. It is Friday. Yes. Oops. Damn, I need a mirror. There. So what could you do exactly now with the open source renderer? I mean, it's good to you could use it as a reference for making your own custom renderer. You can help fix bugs. Yeah. When Roxy's raging, impossible. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. I will probably. Ugh. I need to make a command for this. When the jungle chase the Tang and not. What? A coconut just flew by. Yes. What's a renderer is my question. It's the program that makes the things appear on your screen. I forgot to ask. Is this? Yes. I made. I put this word together. Yes. Yeah, there is a lamp, and I forgot who set it up. Someone was
Hello.
setting up the lamp. Hi. I saved it, but there was no light on that version, so I had to recreate it. But yeah,
Nah.
it's here. Sometimes a smart puppy.
Hello.
Wow, no. Mm-mm. Me a dumb puppy.
Need to adjust the
Me a
FOV
dumb
for
puppy.
myself.
See. This is a representation of my brain. Smooth, no wrinkles. Stupid puppy.
There we go.
At least it is still. No, it's just shiny. Smooth and shiny. Yeah.
Ooh, you have here the redeem commands?
It's this. Yeah, that's redeems. Yeah, but for now it's only the one, and it plays an audio clip. But
Gotcha.
yeah, Mwah.
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 How you doing, guys?
I keep losing track of whatever I was thinking about.
Ah,
Brain not braining. Like I
no,
said, smooth.
Indeed.
Mhm.
No, not smooth. Come on. Maybe getting spun will help you out.
Wow. And he's gone. Also, I was I forked the locales for Resonite and started translating stuff. It's really boring. I don't like it. I translated the settings categories into Czech and the Discord rich presence stuff. So only a couple strings, and I'm already bored of it, and I don't want to touch it again. But I want to finish the settings page at least.
I was also trying to do some localization for Monkey Loader, and it is a lot of these technical words are not fun to like translate because, and also like I don't speak the language, so I'm like I don't speak it often. So I'm like, okay, do you say it in English way? Do you say it in Czech? Well, what the fuck do I do with this? It's boring and not fun.
Yeah, UP localization. I mean, yes, that's one of the reasons why I decided to go and apply to be a mentor, because there is not many Czech mentors. So if someone from Czechia comes on and they don't quite speak English or whatever, someone is there to help them. So localization would be great there as well, but it's so boring.
Yeah, indeed. Yeah, I suppose that's one way to do it.
Brown submit PR on your board, start another. Yeah.
Problem is, I don't have that often. Like, I don't have that many times where I'm like, I'm this bored to start localizing.
I was doing it during work time when I was waiting for stuff. I was waiting for feedback, and so I started translating.
Fair enough.
Also, there will be a mentor during your time zones. True.
Yes. We do
Yeah.
have about a few peeps in the European time zone, but yeah, I'm also on the European time. I'm also European, so yeah, I'm also a mentor that's sometimes available.
Yeah. Because otherwise, like, there is a lot of mentors, but not a lot of Czech mentors. So if there were more
Yeah.
Czech mentors, I wouldn't bother. Or maybe I would find another excuse. Who knows?
Do some machine translation and review it manually. Should faster than manually doing it from the translation of the start. That's also an option. Yeah.
What?
Don't know either.
Hey, still. What?
I'm gonna watch my eyes out there. Oh, we do that. Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no. Today we had in university. So Mondays we had a lecture on game and engine architecture, and today we had to like present the basis of a game engine. So we had that little like exercise session today, and it was kind of neat to see like what some people do. I just saw one person like put everything into the main CPP file, which was really funny.
European. Well, Hazel, I do get it now, but why? Stop
Oh,
it.
Europe.
Bad
Oh my
Hazel.
That's no.
I also love how Manchester's like name on the emotes is Mpreg. I mean, it's it fits them, but yeah.
Lamau.
Yeah, but why would you put everything into a single file? That's just a no. Don't do that.
It's other students that have not programmed much, so you know.
Green bulb people. Yes.
Yeah. When is Kundelaj gonna make you a mentor? When is that happening?
I don't know. He hasn't been online.
Why has he not been online that much? He should be more online.
He's been tired.
Tired. Oh.
My badge still looks like this, so
think you need to
I got a
install
good deal on fiber. Oh, nice.
Nice. I think you need to install CS Source to get that badge then.
Wah.
God, I want to play through Half-Life Alyx again, but I want I want to do it on a Steam frame. When is it releasing?
And I don't have Half-Life Alyx. I haven't played it.
What? You've not played it? Why?
No. Money.
Fair enough.
When it came out, I couldn't afford it, and then I just didn't get to it.
It's sometimes on sale for like €30 instead of 60.
Yeah.
What? Half-Life Alyx is so great. What the fuck? Really like.
I wish I could get fiber here. Well,
yeah, we might get fiber soon, but I don't know when exactly. So I'm currently still stuck with whatever we have right now, which is really terrible. And it's I think it's called coax. That's what we have right now, and it could be good, but because of how many people are using it simultaneously, and also Vodafone.
Oh, are you still on a bus
right here in Germany? What?
Like, is everyone connected to the same cable on the coax line?
Probably it is.
That's so outdated.
I'm not sure exactly how it's being handled, but I would say it's still on the same bus because, well, it lags extremely sometimes, and it's really annoying. And also, Vodafone is being stupid ISP and can't manage the internet speed correctly, or like is dropping packets all the time. It's annoying.
Yeah.
And sometimes I can't even use Discord. It's too bad for Discord sometimes, and I'm like, okay, well, what do I do now?
Yeah. I wish I could like use a custom firmware because I have a 5G router. Hi, Frooks. Hi.
Hello, Frooks.
I have a 5G router that I have set up to. I have it connected to the broadband, to the DSL line, and it has the 5G connection. But it's set to use the cable and fall back to 5G. I wish I could set it so that like connections to that IP go over cable, connections to that different one go over 5G. I would get more bandwidth, you know.
Yeah. Also, I can be heard well. That's good. No, that's good to know. Thank you. That's true. At least you guys can hear me. I still sometimes Tom is still a little bit choppy for me, but it's not that bad.
Am I?
Yeah, a little bit for me. Yeah, but don't worry about it.
Because you're coming in clear, so it's.
I don't know. It might be my ISP is dropping entire download packets. Who knows?
I don't know. Damn, my
Don't
FPS
worry
is
about
low.
it. My FPS is always low. I don't know what to do about it. It's fine.
I usually have 90 here.
Well, I
Why
don't
my
know.
FPS so low?
You know that my system is weird. I don't know. Let's see.
Yeah, but like yours is like normal, like for you, right?
Yeah, that's
But
normal.
mine is really low. What's going on? Huh?
I don't know.
It doesn't like the night in here.
Like the night, yeah. Let's make it day. I mean, it's day outside. There we go. Very nice. Look at that. That's much nicer.
Maybe it is day now. Meow. I'm usually around 90 FPS, like locked, because that's the refresh rate of my headset, and now I'm at like 60. What's going on? Huh? Sag. Yeah. No more night.
I am so glad that there are no longer any issues with the Twitch commands. Everything is working.
Yeah.
It's every time I was like, oh please work, and now it's like, yeah, it's working.
And that stuff works as well, which I'm kind of happy about. I mean, it's simple, it just receive signals, but
yeah,
it does what I want it to do.
Yes. Yeah. Why?
So I won't miss. I won't miss the redeems, and once I get all the sound clips, I won't miss any redeems.
Nice. Yes. Very good.
And then I will have everything in game. No external stuff, no OBS setup. Yay. OBS just captures Resonite, and Resonite handles the rest. I don't know what it's, especially like Resonite is made for VR, right? So I don't have to deal with the OBS interface from VR. I can just do everything in here.
Yeah, I think there's like an OBS socket thing that you can do. I don't know. I forgot.
I mean, yeah, like I can stop the stream from here. And I mean, OBS does have WebSockets, so I could like make it control it from here, but that's cool. Like even the starting soon screen I'm pointing over to in the distance is in game, and it has been for a while. I don't have to switch scenes.
Have you done anything exciting today? Anything creative?
No.
No. Okay.
I did absolutely nothing.
That's fair.
I translated those couple of strings, but that's it.
I still have to continue drawing, like designing my updates to my dragon. Frugs just woke up.
Frugs woke up. I mean, that's also good. Exciting.
Yeah.
Frugs woke up.
Hi, Phineas. Senses were tingling. Howdy. Hello, Phineas Former.
Yeah.
How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. When did you wake up today, Tom?
Officially 9.
Mm-hmm.
In reality 2. 2 p.m.
That's the mood. Yeah. I had to wake up today at like 7 because there would have been a lecture, or like there was a lecture planned for 8:30, but then we get there and there is no professor there, right? And then 20 minutes after the lecture should have started, the professor sends out an email saying, "Oh, hey, it's canceled today. Don't bother coming." And like, what the fuck do you
Everyone's
mean,
there
don't bother
already.
coming? It should have started at 8:30. I'm doing good. I'm losing at Rocket League. I mean, my teammates are.
yeah.
The teammates are
Definitely
always-
the teammates.
Yeah, at fault. I'm glad you're doing good. Yeah.
Hmm.
Fruxius is saying 7. 7.
7.
7. 7.
7's an important message.
7. You're 7.
Yeah. 7.
Wonderful 7.
My dashcam has arrived.
Hey.
Nice. Now you can incriminate yourself. Yay!
Or others.
Or others, but
Yes.
that's not as funny.
That's not as fun. I suppose.
Hmm. Did I make the world so much heavier? Is there like
I don't know. I mean, if these things have lights on them, are they casting
the
shadow?
lights? No, I mean the intensity is turned down, but they're not off.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Like
There
the
are some
intensity is 0,
poses.
so I don't know if that like. Right.
What do you mean soup poses? What do you mean? I don't have on right now. I could get them, but I was too lazy. There's soup. Oh. Well, the videos are funny where people claim he crashed into me, and then they say I have a dash cam, and the other goes completely Karen mode. Those are kind of funny. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't really watch those, but a few of my friends do watch them here in Resonite. So sometimes I come into a session and just watch those videos with them, and they are kind of funny sometimes. A lot of the times it's also kind of sad how people are in the real world.
I should probably get a dash cam. Like the amount of times that someone almost ran into me or like brake checked me, it's
Really, does that happen that often to you?
especially if I drive to Ostrava. Yes,
Okay.
people there are crazy. It's like I'm driving. I don't care who's around me. I'm going, and everyone deal with it.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Yeah. It's I don't go there often because like I go there, when I go to the office. And I mostly work from home, but when I do go there, I don't like driving through the center and stuff. It's really annoying. But at least I know it there, so it's fine. But if I go and drive in a different big city, that's I don't like driving in cities. I like driving in general, but cities, nah.
Driving in cities is also kind of stressful.
And when I think I'll be picking up Gundala for chess in Brno, and I've never driven to Brno. That's going to be also interesting.
I don't actually drive that much. I don't like driving at all, really. I just do it when I have to, or like when I'm, visiting some of my family members that are in Czechia, or if I'm gonna go somewhere that's a little bit further away. But I usually just use the bus or train or whatever if I can.
Does
I don't
anyone
really
ever
like to
like
drive,
driving in
but, yeah.
cities? I guess no.
I don't think anybody
But-
likes to drive in cities. It's annoying.
Yeah, but like I mentioned it before on stream, like my flavor of neurodivergent doesn't like public transport, like using public transport. I love the idea of it. I hate being in it. So I kind of have to drive, otherwise I'm unusable afterwards. It's so draining. I'm so tired
Yeah.
after it.
Yeah, I despise driving also because having to find a place to park your car and everything. It's like it's nice being able to
Damn.
just go anywhere where you want. Yeah, say my parents have to tell me to drive so my battery doesn't die. Yeah, I have to remind myself to also drive sometimes to have the battery also not die. Yeah.
If you have a safe place to park the car with like electrical socket nearby, you can just plug in. You can just plug in the battery and like charge it with a charger. But
yeah, if I had an electrical car.
No, the 12-volt battery. You can just charge that. You don't have to run the car to charge it. If every once in a while, or if I can't drive for a while, I will park the car in the yard here and just plug in into a charger.
Don't really have anything to charge or something like that with, so
like having a car battery charger is nice.
Yeah, I can see how that could be nice. I might actually need that too, but right now I don't even have access to electricity anyway where I park right now. So
yeah, like it's not always possible. Like if you live in a flat somewhere and then like park on the street, there's nothing you can do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Reddy's here. Hi.
Reddy, what are you doing?
I have a booper.
You have a booper, yeah.
Oh my
But I do. I do really like driving. It's just.
I like trains more.
likes trains.
Hi, Tops.
Hello, Toms.
But the fuel is so expensive right now. I mean, I think it's going down slowly, but it's still really expensive.
I like trains.
How dare you? How dare you? You are here. You're not allowed to use the chat.
Reddy is not in VR.
No, Reddy is not in VR. He is on desktop right now.
He's in desktop. Aren't you using? I mean, yeah, I'm using LPG, but even that is expensive. I mean, it's not as expensive as petrol, but like, it is expensive. It was like twice the price at one point of what it is normally. I normally pay like $16.50, and the last time I filled up, it was like 31 per liter. It was. No, was it 16? I think it was 16. Was it? I don't know. Yeah.
For gas, is it per liter or per kilogram?
It's per liter.
Oh, okay. But if the canisters, if you go to refill canisters, it's per kilogram. So it's probably different for vehicles then. Cool.
Bike maxing and orange build. Orange build?
Orange belt? I don't know.
Yeah. I mean, bikes are nice, but like, for me to go to work, it's half an hour by car.
That would be
or
fun
like
using a
hour
bike.
and 15 minutes by public transport. But yeah, like if I get the chance to be alone in a train car, that's perfect. And there's other people, no.
I don't really mind the people. I just sit somewhere and just I don't know, take out my phone, do something on there to put in
You other people, exactly.
put in headphones. I don't know. Like I have a Steam Deck now too. I can just play a Steam Deck on the train.
It's a long way, Tom. It's not that bad, but yeah.
Yes, Steam Deck is
Mm.
really nice.
I don't have a Steam Deck. I don't think I would really use it, but yeah.
Oh, Steam doesn't want to sell any hardware over here.
Well, it's not that they
I
don't
see,
want
Buffler.
to, it's that they can't.
What?
No, they don't want to.
No, they don't. They can't because it's too expensive, and they would have to make the hardware also more expensive, which people wouldn't like.
Mm,
Still sad.
Yeah,
I
it
use
is.
mine a lot more when I'm visiting friends in Glitch. Yeah.
Some of the biggest urbanist communities on YouTube are orange coded for some reason, so orange pill became a joke term for urban planning enthusiasts. Interesting.
It's
I
good to flop on the couch, beanbag, or the the fluffy dog bed and play. Yeah.
I didn't think a Steam Deck would be that useful to me, since I am quite often at home, and just have a PC there. But I did realize that when I go to some of my relatives, it's actually quite nice to have something where you can play most of your games on, and it's really useful for that. And also like when you go somewhere by bus or somewhere or something.
Mm.
So it'd be so nice to have a Steam frame now. Oh, please.
A Steam frame would be nice, please.
Yeah.
I want eye tracking and face tracking and
I just want a better headset than this piece of shit. I want to throw this out the
yeah,
window.
I want to get rid of meta stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, the hardware is fine, but like having to have Facebook account and
I would like to have an updated hardware. I'm still using Fresnel lenses.
mm-hmm. Yeah, I have the Quest 3, so yeah. I have pancakes.
Yeah, the
hardware is fine. Company's not. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to say something and I lost it again. I keep losing the thoughts. Wow. Wow. Gotta catch it.
Yeah,
it's too fast.
It's too fast.
I just. I'm just tired of the Quest 3 controllers flying off at light speed 50% of the time. They get the slightest occlusion. Oh yeah, it's like even if I put them like in my lap, it sometimes disappear.
Yeah, it's quite annoying. Like also the quality of the Quest controllers is awful. I have,
and I'm starting to get stick drift. It's annoying.
Yeah, stick drift, but not just that. I mean, losing the touch sensitivity on pretty much immediately. It feels like the buttons sometimes still think they are touched, even though they are not anymore. And then I've also had another issue with stick drift, of course, and something else that I can't recall right now. It's quite annoying. Also, taking in and out the batteries is a little bit annoying.
On the Quest 2, yes, the Quest 3 is better. I mean, the capacitive stuff works, I'm not pressing any buttons. I'm just touching them, but it can get stuck.
The thumbstick are the same. Quest 1 to Quest 3. They never changed it. Why did they? It's so awful.
Oh, pretty sure I'm also lives in Europe. Yes, I live in Czechia. Unfortunately.
What do you mean? Unfortunately.
Nah, it's
Okay, go for it.
fine.
For it, it's best with the IMU with its IMUs, or just stays in place so it can't see the headset. That would be the best thing, yeah. But the Quest is like, oh yeah, like I can see your controller. Maybe I'll teleport your controller all the way to, I don't know, Nirvana.
Yeah, like, yeah. Unfortunately, yeah. Like when I was living in Wales, I keep saying that story, but I felt more at home there than I do here, even though I grew up over here. The nice thing about being in Czechia, though, is I live close to Frux. I can go annoy him.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
I just entered my 4th decade. Oh.
Make you feel just a few years older than me feel old, yeah. I've
Yeah.
often gotten a few years, like 2 years, or yeah, I guess 2 years before, 2 years ago, I was like, people were asking me on here, like, how old I am, and I was always telling them, like, 2 years ago, I was 20, so I was telling them, hey, I'm 20, and they were like, what? I thought you were 30.
Yeah.
It's also funny, yeah.
I'm only 25.
Mm-hmm.
I'm quarter century old. Well, yeah. Whenever I was a glitch, I feel more at home than here. Yeah. But I feel like I missed something.
I'd say I'm quite
Reading-
happy being in Germany, but I think I would also be happy being in Czechia.
Reading your username reminded me that people born in 2007 are adults now. I need to catch my breath while my bones turn to dust. Yeah, I keep forgetting that my sister is 18 now. And it's like,
Time flies.
yeah. You look at all these younglings. Wow. Merp, you have to spawn the merp first to merp.
Yes.
And it's kind of
Also,
borked.
Also, hello, harmonica. What do you mean it's? Oh, yeah, it's borked because of the world.
It's borked in this world.
Right.
I would turn that system off, but I like it.
Mm.
In general, like when it puts stuff under the slot, it's easier to clean up, and it's yeah.
But it's annoying.
We can just merp manually. Merp. Yeah. Oh, something exciting I did yesterday evening. I was helping a new user set up their avatar and just showing them how to set up dynamic bones, and them being so happy when the stuff started moving. That was great. I love when
Indeed, a
people get
nice
so
feeling.
excited about like you're in a game and you click a couple buttons and stuff happens. It's yeah. It's always fun. Or like showing people the working Stargate system. and we did like stress test my headless last night. There was over 20 people in here, and it mostly handled it well. I mean, when there was that many people, like it did hitch a couple times, but it was okay. I love when people enjoy. Yeah, Stargate. Yes, there is a. Wait, let me change settings. Someone needs to make a video on the Stargate system. We need to lure in more Stargate nerds. Oh yeah, there is a Stargate over there.
Yeah, you can even dial some other session and have the Stargate link there.
Yeah,
Really neat.
it would be funny if we could get David Hewlett on Resonite. He played McKay in Stargate Atlantis, and I mean, I think he did appear in SG1 as well. And he's a huge nerd, and he does do some VR stuff as well. And I think it would be great fit. So getting him on Resonite would be so much fun.
Time zone sim like Twitch won't let you log
will-
in. Weird. Interesting.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah. I think with the time zone, with the times, it might be because of certificates. Like you need current time.
Yeah, probably.
But it's like I don't know. That's weird. 99% of things use geolocation, I guess. Yeah. I know that when you have like when your system time is out of sync, a lot of websites don't work. But I don't know why a time zone would make any difference.
When my system time is out of sync, my VPN screams at me.
Yeah. Resonite also explodes. Yeah. I don't know. I just have NTP set up, so if it goes out of sync, it like syncs again in a couple minutes, or I can force it. So yeah. I think like all modern systems have NTP set up by default, so shows the cloud as offline. Huh. It's annoying when was it? Yeah, when you're dual booting Windows and Linux, Windows time gets messed up. I think Linux can handle it, but Windows time messes up when you boot Linux and then you go back to Windows. The system time is wrong.
Yeah, because I don't because the Windows doesn't, I think, use UTC and does something stupid, but you can tell it to use UTC so it doesn't fuck that up.
Time zones are a mistake. We need to migrate to beat time. I still don't quite know what beat time is. I've seen it around here, but like,
Time zones are an evil thing created by Mother Nature.
Yeah.
You got a skirt now.
1,000 units a day, and it's always UTC. Okay. Of course, Bongmaster joins and immediately is skirt.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, of course, that needs to happen. Can't be seen without a skirt.
Because Resonite uses the current time to determine if data is expired or not. Huh. I mean, yeah, it makes sense. I got beats time in my dash. Wow. Can you actually tell the time from it? Like, I know, like, it's technically possible, but can you? Yeah, no. Wrong time will break other things too, like some cryptography and such. Yeah, that's, yeah. Just midnight because that's where it loops. Right. I don't know. I mean, time zones like make sense because because globe, whatever. But switching between winter and summertime is stupid. Just stop it. Daylight savings. Yeah.
Hello, Bunkmaster.
Yay!
Yeah. Bean? Where? There's two.
You're the bean.
Me? Nah.
Yes, you're the bean.
You need. Wow, Bunny Arted's here.
Ah.
You need to put the name after Yeet. What world, Yalin? It's a world I made.
It's a very pretty world.
It's the Poppy Grove. I
Wow.
haven't really named it yet. I need ideas for a name. That's a work in progress.
Tom Times Puppy Grove.
I mean, that's the session name right now. But
Yeah. What about that name?
Call it Arch, by the way. Wow. Eating Bone Puppy Grove a la
I
Yeet.
don't
Wow.
care what gender you are. Put on the maid outfit.
Maid outfit.
Who was it? Bongmaster.
Mhm.
You. I'm gonna make it cost bits.
Luma.
Wait, what? Space Spec is on a 30 stream streak. Damn, I missed that. Wow. Thank you for watching. So much wasted time. And Reddy is on a 25 stream streak. Wow. Wow.
You
Why are you
must have
bonking
to.
me? Wow. I switched to Arch again. Nick's got more annoying than useful after first installation. Yes. Oh. Wow.
Really?
Hey,
is it
I'm getting
annoying?
some work done. Yeah, Nyx gets annoying. Like, the idea is really cool, but it just
Mhm.
doesn't quite work for me.
Mm-hmm. How does it get annoying? What is it doing?
Nyx is like you have a config that then the system like builds itself from.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, if you have the same config on different machines, the system will be the same.
Mm-hmm.
But managing the configs and adding stuff and yeah,
Gotcha.
and like Nix is like a language of its on its own, so you need to learn another programming language. Yeah. I mean, it's really cool. Like, if you get a good config, you can just load the config onto a new machine, and you're all set up. But getting there,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like it's immutable. I mean, if you change something and don't put it in the config,
If you quickly need something, you can use Nix shell, but then it's not installed. So when you need it again to do Nix shell again, unless you put in your system config.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That does sound annoying. I was once using a Fedora immutable distribution of it, and I really didn't like it because of how convoluted it gets installing anything slightly, different.
yeah.
Yeah,
Hi, Tolarian.
Hope you're doing well.
Well, there is the MERP. Hope you all are well. Yeah,
I'm
mostly.
doing well. I'm just a little sleepy, but yes, doing well. I am now that the weekend has arrived. That's very good. Yes.
Yes. I was tempted to stream a different game today, but that means a different setup, and I wasn't quite ready to change that. So I didn't. I need to update my VRM. It has the old texture. Yeah. Work. Ugh.
Are we censoring Tom with that? Huh?
There's a boy kisser plush.
Oh, I see.
I thought he was talking about the MERP. So what the
MERP?
Yeah, that's not covering anybody.
I swear I've seen that exact character, the boy, in so many worlds. I mean, it's the boy kisser. What?
missed?
Wow.
Went right through you.
Mm. Get cheesed.
Drink water, you dehydrated bitch!
Wow.
It's time to drink water. That is not water. That is not water.
Close
Energy
enough.
drink is not a replacement for water.
Here is Monster Energy Ultra Peach. Yeah.
That is not a replacement for water. That is
Yummy.
not a replacement for water does too. No, that's what energy does too.
Oh, another boy kisser. Wow. I can't get rid of him.
People will just spawn out more.
Boy kisser is life. Wow. No, you.
Yes, TomTom is cute. That is correct. Yes,
No, you.
you are very adorable. Mhm. You get a skirt? No, I'm just sitting down. It is probably not that
Why not?
visible.
You got me there. I don't know.
Why not? What? When? Arky
Ooh,
Flash is
yeah.
also doing name tags for the camera.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. No, I don't want a skirt.
now I have the skirt because it always gives it to me.
Yes.
I would like if the name
There you
tags
go.
could be like forced to look at the camera. Like if I'm standing in front of them, it's fine. But if I go here,
Mhm.
yeah, like the how there is like look at override for user. I wish it would do it for the camera as well. I don't know if it's doable or not. I didn't really look into it, but yeah.
How does the system recognize different names for items and users? It's cool. It's not exact and still knows. So in here, we use nodes to program, right? It's a node-based program language. And one node exists that's called user from username, and it has 3 inputs. One is like the string, the text, and the other is ignore. What was it? Ignore case, and the other one was
Allow partial match.
Allow partial match. Yeah. So it allows very easily to figure out the username from that. You can technically do it yourself as well. That wouldn't be a problem. You can just do like 2 lowercase and then do a contains call basically. But that's much simpler. And for the items, it has to be exact. The case is insensitive. I did make sure of that, but it needs to be an exact match for the items. But yeah. What's the green microphone icon at the on the bottom right of the node?
Oh, that's a link to the wiki. It's a mod. If you click on it, it sends you to the wiki page of the node.
It's a mentor badge that.
And
Yes.
it is the mentor badge, yes.
I need that. Which mod does that do? Which mod does that?
It's wiki integration.
Okay.
Wiki
Coming to
integration.
when?
Yeah. When Fundaraj gets
Fundaraj.
online.
Yeah.
If food was food, which food would it be?
Rice.
What?
Rice.
You.
Chips.
No.
Yes.
EU rice. It would probably, it would probably be.
Food would it be? It would just be food, yeah, I guess. A foodster. Food.
I mean, for the wiki, there is, for the notes, who put the skirt on me again? I missed that. There is like at least basic info of like what each input is and stuff. So yeah. But which food? Žemlovka.
I sadly have to go now. It
Oh no.
was nice being here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, bye.
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 Guys, have fun.
Boop, boop. Boop.
Oh, bye. Wah. Wah.
Chicken because everything tastes like chicken. Wah. I never liked chicken. Even before I became a vegetarian, I never liked chicken. Chicken is just meh. Wah! Anonymous gifter. Thank you. Talarian just subscribed for 12 months in a row? Wow. Oh, Anonymous gifter gifted 12 months of tier 1. Wow, thank you. Damn, that started a hype train.
Wow.
Wow. Thank you. Wow. Wow. Why would you do that? Why? Thank you, but why? I'll leave to get a drink and now this. Yeah, right? Wow. I was confused for a second. Like, have I been streaming for 12 months? I don't think so. Time to annoy Tom a lot now. Wow. Now you can use all the emotes. Yay.
Yay.
I need to get more though. Art. I need art. I'll have to commission someone at some point. But this month I have to MOT my car, so that's money. I have to do stuff. So not now. Eventually, I will get more emotes. Mwah. I need to get back with artists to get my ref sheet finished. I did find an artist that I like the style, so I will commission them eventually. But yeah, like seeing all the art that people get, it's so cool. Ooh, okay, Thompson's virtual veggie growth. Wow.
I still need to figure out my persona.
My persona is dog. Not any specific breed. Dog. Which breed?
All of them.
Yes. Popper to popper communication. Yes. Hi. It's funny. It's like I'm thinking, you know, and like I touch my face, but then I boop myself. What is the ratio of dogs to birds? I don't know. There is a lot of birds, but quite a lot of dogs as well. So yeah.
The maid outfit just makes it more funnier.
Yeah, how long has that been on? 15 minutes. I can go change. Whee! Wow.
What's a flashing light for? What's a flashing light for on the Twitch pod?
That's heartbeat. That it's still connected.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
420. What is the ratio? Considering the wiki says it is a stub, anyone know if I am fine if my Avi base says UE unchanged? I don't know. Wah! Parrot, thank you for the bits. Hi. Wee! Jake, hi. Just stopping by. Yeah. Wow, sub. Wow, thank you. Hey, wow. Wow, thank you. Hey, Stell. Yeah. Wow.
Oops, sorry.
Wow. Yay! Level 4. New all-time record. Yay! Thank you, guys. Thank you. Worst case, you have to connect them manually, but they work well for face tracking. Oh, right. Yeah.
Oops. So this is where they went.
Wah.
This is the one I was looking for.
Twitch gave me these and I want an emote. Nice.
I like how there's this without any context.
Yeah, yeah. It does show you all the blend shapes, yeah. Looking into installing Graphene OS. Ooh. I would love to install a different OS on my phone, but unlocking the new Xiaomi phones is basically impossible. And I hate it. Next time I'm buying a new phone, I'm buying a phone that can be unlocked. I don't know. I will probably just go for Samsung or Pixel next time because fuck Xiaomi. It's crazy how Samsung, Oppo, Xiaomi, and Huawei, it's basically unlocked. Yeah. Yeah, phones should not be locked out. Yeah. I mean, there is a way to like apply for the bootloader unlock, but there is a quota that like fills immediately. So you have to apply for it at 4 p.m. my time exactly, or you can't get it. But then like everyone is doing it at like whatever midnight in China, and like exactly at midnight, everyone's trying to get there. So even that's not guaranteed, and you need like a script to do it because yeah, it's basically impossible. And like not yeah. I bought OnePlus phone, and now they're going away from most markets. AFK time? Wah, okay.
Wiki chair.
It's just Xiaomi does like good. The hardware is fine. It's good. It's cheap, but the software on it and like they put ads on into everything. There is like apps that you don't need and you can't get rid of, and just bloat. You know, and just, The older Xiaomi phones were easy to unlock, but the new ones, nah. I like small phones. Yeah. I don't want to be a downer, but at least you all get to choose. My fingerprints are basically unreadable, so I'm stuck with Apple. Oh. Mm-hmm. With Apple, again, they make good hardware, but I don't like their software. Hi. please someone make Face ID, but for Android, right? Yeah. I mean, you can do it, but I don't know of any phone that has like the Face ID as secure as Apple does. I don't like the Apple Dev experience. I never had the misfortune of dealing with it, so I don't know. Smallest one I had was Jelly from Unihertz Android with 2.4-inch display. Damn, that's tiny. Pixel has Face ID, yeah, but it's camera only. It's like 2D, and it's not as secure. Playing you on background while doing some Linux shit? Hell yeah. Face ID hardware feature, yeah. I log into my bank and stock apps with face recognition. We need more poppers. Poppers are nice. No, none have active IR face unlock. Yeah, Samsung and Google do camera-based unlock, but that is without the IR pattern recognition, pattern projector. Yeah. Yeah, the Apple like Face ID is better. Rent over. Yeah. I mean, my sister has an iPhone. She's the only one in the family. Everyone else has Androids, but she really wanted one, so she got an iPhone. And I was surprised how good the speakers on it are. Such a tiny, tiny thing, and the speakers are surprisingly good. But then again, I wouldn't be able to deal with Apple stuff, Apple hardware, Apple software. I mean, yeah, man, yeah, they do black magic. Yeah. I have iPhone only for the AR kit tracking. I hate the phone so much. Yeah, that's the only reason why I would ever consider getting one for the AR kit. But nah. I read something that someone made his Samsung phone unusable. He installed a custom ROM which wasn't signed and locked the bootloader again. Since the ROM wasn't signed, it didn't boot, and since it didn't boot, he couldn't go back to stock OS, right? I mean, you should be able to run the bootloader. I mean, I guess they fucked it up bad, but yeah. The AirPods are the same. I can talk normally while frying food in the kitchen, and I was told my conversation partner had no idea I was frying stuff. Nice. I hope the repairability on iPhone is better now. Wonder if they still have parts serialization. I think they do. I don't think that changed much. But I don't know. I've never had anything iPhone. I never really interacted with anything Apple, so I don't know. Oh, I mean, when I did like 2 shifts as a like delivery driver, the work phone was an old Apple, like it was an old iPhone, and I didn't know how to use it. It was like there was the app for the delivery company was open, and then was like, okay, now you have the thing set up, switch to a map, and I was like, how do I switch the app? Well, it was an old iPhone with the touch button on it, and I was like, what do I do? Did you see the battery glue that stopped being sticky when it gets 9-volt applied to it? That's a thing? Damn. Okay. Interesting. Help, I'm trying to get Whisper to work again. Whisper. That's the speech to text, right? Why is there a huge orchestra covering my doghouse? Wow.
Yeah.
Yes. One thing that I'm pretty sure comes from iOS is gesture navigation, which I find way better than the 3 buttons. Yes, I do use gestures. It's good. I don't know if it comes from iOS. Even if it does, I don't care. It's good, but in general, yeah, I don't know. Like even like I don't like Windows, but Windows like UI is pretty good. Like the design, the actual workings, not so much. But yeah, Brooks needs a new whisper bubble apparently. Wah. And with Whisper, I never tried playing around with that, so I don't know. I've seen like Dexy has a system where he can like say commands, like just say stuff and things happen in here. It's really cool. But it's sad that Firefox also goes down the bad route of collecting telemetry. Right. Surprisingly good. Yeah. I have a deaf friend on Resonite who uses it to transcribe what people are saying. Oh right, yeah, that's good. Also, speaking of Firefox, are the cookies in Resonite like in Resonite you can choose to use cookies, but it doesn't quite work for me on Linux. Is it because Resonite is behind Proton and it's like it can't find the cookies? Because that would be nice if I could use them. Because I have YouTube Premium and I can't use them. I'm pretty sure that's with the mute helper, like a plugin. Just don't. Wah. Also, where did Jan go? He had to go. He disappeared. Well, with more, I'm not actually sure. The YTDLP is running from the Linux native process, so it's not under Proton, but it's still inside Steam pressure vessel. Right. I don't know. I might look into it where it's like looking for it. Going to say something. Wah. Yeah, with like more and more bits of Resonite being open source, there's going to be so much more like it's more of a Cyro question. He handles a lot of the Linux details. Right. I have to catch Cyro at some point then. Oh, thank you for the follow, Wolf Hunter. Hi. I read they made a big update to Wine and made it possible to run Windows software that was not runnable before. I don't know. Make a GitHub issue if there is not one. True. Yes, I will check. Did I finish my thought? Like with the open sourcing of bits of Resonite, people can help, and like there's more people that can look at stuff and fix bugs and make improvements. It's exciting. Render now, yes, Render is now open source. Yeah. Wait, is the Unity render open source or the Resonite render? The Resonite Unity renderer. This is the renderer for Resonite made in Unity. So yeah. Yeah. I would play around with it and try breaking stuff or fixing stuff, either one. But it would require me to open Unity and no. Oh,
Oh. Bravo.
but is now angry. Yes, I'll post it. Quick arrest that yellow dog. Arrest the yellow dog. No, it's there so people don't send naughty links. But yeah. But so that I can still people can still post Twitch links to clips and stuff. But yeah. Yeah, there's the link for the render. You can go have a look at it. Dog that dog man. Wah. I got Whisper 4. Nice. What are you doing with Whisper? Can I pet that dog? Which dog? Me? Always. Transcribing audio. Wow. Yeah, I got that much. Might be looking into making the written transcription service for design. Ooh, nice. Just experimenting with it now, though. Right? Yeah. Oh, do you have your you doing your fun projects thing today? Ah, exciting. Frux is the creator. Yes, he's the dev. The dev. The God Emperor of Resonite.
The Resonite Overlord.
He's a cute bean.
If I could, I would bow.
He's the John Resonite, yes. Please don't. Don Resonite. Big mafia boss. I will cry internally. Oh no. We don't want that. No. Nah, Frux is just a silly bean. Externally, he will just cringe. Yeah. Resonite royalty? Royalty. Wow. Now, all the members of the team I met so far are just silly goobers. Oh, the model is running at 7.8 times real time. Nice. That's good. How much? Is it? How heavy is it? I got a bit confused because on the Twitch banner of Fruxius is still Neos. No. Version 3 Turbo. Okay. You know how you could make that badge's texture even better? Use a triplanar material. Right. Yeah. Huh. I I would have to recreate it as a mesh though, because this is just a PNG exported from an. I mean, I made the thing. It's just an SVG file, so it's just an image. To use I would have to make it. I would have to make it as a mesh. Huh. But it was 3D. No. I mean, it's not impossible. I could do it, just not with the current one. You can't import SVG in Reso. Yeah, that's why the image is a PNG. The SVG is it's in my public folder, so if people want the source file, they can have it, right? But it's just a raw file. I click Fruxy's name on Twitch mobile, and it shows the Neos banner for his profile. Oh. What was that? Huh. Yeah. It's the same, like, these paws are, like, this is just a PNG or web, it's WebP, whatever, it's WebP imported in, but in the public folder, there's the SVG file next to it, so people can just take the source. Interesting, depending on the length, the model is even faster. If I talk for longer, it's more efficient. Just got it to transcribe at 12x real time. Ah, cool. Take TomTom? No. Have you seen the video of the pilots barking and meowing? What? Meow.
Meow.
Meow. I mean, arf.
How was your day? Rough.
Rough. Is whispering Resonite tools? It's not. The Brooks is just playing around with it, experimenting with it. It's not in Resonite yet. And Hazel? No, I haven't seen that video. I don't think. Oh, I did a few days ago. What? Oh, you can see if you want after stream and memes. Okay. Okay, now the question: can I get 2 whispers? Can you get 2 whispers? That's yeah. What? Yeah. Huh. Merp. Is the description on Discord DM? You want to look? Okay. Keep bye, folks. Gonna try to work on my audio. Okay. Bye, the troop. Thank you for stopping by. I've seen 5 other people probably send it to you. My I do need another programming project to do. I don't know what to make. Was I doing something? Right, I was working on the static page generator for my website, but that's mostly usable now for what I want. I kind of want another project, but I don't know what to do. Did you finish your Audible stuff? I mean, not. I didn't finish the. I mean, it works. It's usable. It's not like polished. It's not perfect, but yeah. I could probably like finish that, finish the last 10%, and then move on to something else. Merp. Because my like bot for Resonite and Twitch for the like WebSocket stuff, it works. If I open the terminal, I can just send a message as the bot. I can send messages over just the WebSockets. Like that will appear only on the board behind me. So that kind of works, but yeah.
Wow.
So I think I don't need to really do much on that. Also, I was going to make like an API that I could have like a boop counter on there. I know I could use cloud variables in here to get a boop counter like that's synced across sessions. But I kind of like doing stuff on my own, like the programming part. Proper, yes. So I could maybe do something like that, and then I could do other stuff with the API. I don't know what. I don't know if I have like enough nerds in that follow me that would like want to mess with my API, but getting those stats track CSGO skins, but it's all boops. Yeah. Because the booper is basically just a button, right? So if you boop me, you press a button, and then that can fire an event and just do whatever.
The button can do anything.
Yeah.
It can temporarily turn you into Tantom, your evil twin.
Does it have a randomized chance to explode you? No.
It should though.
Wow. What if Popper, but this time Popper? Yeah, what if Popper, but Popper? um, yeah, I like the like making stuff, making Resonite interact with stuff outside of Resonite. It's really fun. I was trying to figure out what I could do because like I have a couple ESP32s. They have Wi-Fi, and I could just run WebSockets on them. But and then I could control like real physical stuff. But what do I do with it?
I get that. It's like when I'm playing Spotify on my computer. If I open it on my app on the phone, I can control what's playing on my computer. Like mind blowing.
Yeah. I can control my Spotify from here. I can
Yep.
pause it, skip songs, cue songs. Yeah. It's fun. But when I work on like Flux in game, I usually just get distracted and end up just chatting with people and not actually doing any work. It's great that you can do stuff in here, but it also sucks that you can do stuff in here. Cause yeah, there's so much you can do and no time.
Basically,
That's
a
why I
game
don't do
engine.
Flux on streams, because I can't do both. I can't chat and do Flux. It's just impossible.
Brain is too smooth to do more than one thing.
Exactly. Wow, I dropped something.
Was it your
Wow.
brain?
It's good I developed a build that can bypass noise cancelling and didn't even patent it for everyone to use. Wow. I mean, that's good, right? That's if it's like a emergency thing, like you need to get someone's attention, and yeah. I don't think noise cancelling is ever that good that you would need a specialized thing if it's loud enough and it's, I don't know, you will hear it, but yeah. ADHD. What? Where? Yeah.
Nope.
Tail.
Yeah, I want to make a joke about ADHD, but I keep getting sidetracked.
Wow. I encourage all my friends to blame me when they are distracted. I usually blame Hastel. It's Hastel's fault. It's always my fault. Yes. I'm a walking fault. Wow. Wow. No. Your friend. Are you going to EF this year, Hastel? I hope I can make it there. It's not 100%, but I do plan to go there. It originally was like, yeah, I'm 100% going to EF, but then I'm going to Chessfer as well. And, 2 cons is a lot of money. So we'll see if I can manage to go to EF. But hopefully. Because last year was fun. And this year, there is going to be so many more people that I need to meet. Like, so many Resonite peeps that go to EF that, like, yes, I finally got on my exam days, and it luckily a week before EF and not at EF. Oh, nice. Okay, good. I don't know, like even last year, I had so many people to meet, and now it's like now there is like 4 times as many people that I know that are going to EF. I don't know how I'm going to do that. It's going to be fun. You need one more bag for all the stickers. And I need my own stickers. I need to find somewhere that can print stickers.
Definitely.
I need stickers too. Yeah. I never have time for stuff. Yeah. I know. It's never enough time. Why do we have to sleep and eat? So much wasted time. I mean, eating food can be nice, but sleep, it's just wasting time.
Yeah, it's like 16 hours that I could do something else in.
16 hours, then you get to know even more people, then only 4 times as many will seem small. Right. If I could be alert all the time without need to sleep, I would take it. Yes, exactly. That would be great. So much more time to do stuff. Buzino? What? What?
What?
I mean, Perseus, no. Wow. Wow. What? Oh no. What? The game is out? What game? What? There is a game that came out? What? What? Huh? That's a ninja literally only American African people would have gotten. Okay. Wow. Americans in my chat? Wow.
You're in the big leagues now. Top 10 international.
No, I know some people are from America. It's just. Ow. Now the point of origin here. For no reason. The head of Piranha Bytes, who made Gothic, made his own studio with his wife after Piranha Bytes died, and he made a game called Crayon. The demo was an experience. Okay. I see. Was he the guy who does panels at most of the major FurCons, and a running gag is getting people to say boozy? Wow. Boozy, no. Oh. Yeah.
Boozy, no. No, Boozy, no.
Hmm. Wow, wow, wow. Mm, he's also a lawyer. Wow. Smart people at FurCons? Wow. Yeah. Popper. Popper indeed. Poppy brains Popper.
You have a streak.
Repaired my streak. Free stream streak. Wow. Hmm. Nice.
Boom!
Oh yeah. Spew.
Well,
Wow. Woo.
oh, you got yeeted.
I turned into a helicopter. And you probably turned into a profile
Boom!
picture. Wow. And he's back. That lag. Yeah.
I didn't see your pet.
Yeah, it was petting you, but you were spinning at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Pizza? Wah. There's no pizza.
You can probably arrange something.
I have somewhere.
No, that's
Did I
junk.
save it? Is pizza not a thing anymore? What do you mean not anymore? What? Is that a thing in the default Resonite the default Twitch chat?
Oops, oops.
Wow, cake.
Okay. Oops. You get this.
It was in yours? Oh. I don't know. I'm using a different chat, so I don't know. Bonk. Did I not save the USA pizza? Wow. Could become a GIF sub command. Could. It could, yeah.
That's a ball pit. Hot tub.
I could swear I saved it somewhere. Whee! There he goes. I don't see it. Oh well. We could add more stuff to the GIF. Yeah, we can make more stuff, but the chat thing, it contains all of the things, or like, and when I'm spawning it out, it like hitches because there's so much that it needs to create. And cloud spawning is a pain because it's not, officially supported. I mean, it looks fine. It's just a bunch of text. It's completely flat. How much can be in it? A lot. Ads? Oh no, not the ads.
Excuse me.
And now I'm thinking if I will do some more, if I'm going to translate more Resonite, or if I'm just going to chill. I could put on a show and translate more strings because the Czech localization is at like 47%. We need more.
Ah, I found pizza.
Ooh, nice. That's not a lot. Yeah, no, 47% is really not great. Check pizza. Wow. I don't have a. I don't know. What would like Czech pizza look like? What would be on it?
Cabbage.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know Czech food. I imagine it's the same as German.
I mean, it's similar. Pickles would be divided in half. Wow.
Currywurst.
Pickles are good. And there's a lot of pickles here. Yeah. Ask Frugs. Yeah, there is the Bohemian half and the Moravian half. And everyone forgot about Silesia. No one cares about Silesia.
And pickles won't make a bad topping for pizza.
Some Czech national vegetables. I don't know. Mango. No, it's not really. I don't know. What do we grow here? Bell peppers, cucumbers, aubergines. I might be using you for science right now. Oh no, I'm being used for science. Feeding your stream to whisper. Hell yeah, nice. I'm being whispered. Wing. What else do we grow? We grow rhubarb, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, all the different currants. He's feeding his evil AI with you. Wow. Mm, yeah. No, no. Put everything that we what evil? Put everything that we grow on our garden. So apples, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries, rhubarb, bell peppers, and cucumbers and tomatoes on a pizza. That would be awful. But now I kind of want to see it. Wow.
What else did you say? Tomatoes?
Yeah. And especially since
tomato?
all of the things grow at different times of the year.
I need a plate.
Foxes can be evil. Foxes can be evil, yes.
Oops. A cake over
But-
there. You can go with the rest. Making a Czech pizza.
Hell yeah.
What else did you say? Oh, chat can't see.
A lot. I don't know.
Bell peppers,
Cucumbers.
cucumber. Okay, I've seen a cucumber.
Machinery witchcraft thing. Wah.
That's celery.
Machinery witchcraft. Yeah. Black magic. Right. And how well can Whisper deal with accents? A Czech pizza, it's every payday for an entire year. Wah. Well, Druxis. It's quite good. Okay, that's nice. I think, like, I don't know, you tell me, but I think my accent is pretty, like, understandable. But some people have, like, it's scary good sometimes. Okay, damn. It still messes up sometimes. Right, yeah. But, yeah, I don't have the strongest, like, accent of any place. I have a weird mix of different accents, and yeah, but it can get a lot of stuff that older methods struggle with. Cool.
There's a stick of just pretend it's
So we like to reverse engineer it to make a TomTom TTS. Wah. It can even understand other languages, including Czech. Nice. Though less than English. Right. Less data. Wow.
you said strawberry.
Mm-hmm. Sag.
Strawberry.
Yeah, what do you guys think of the pizza? Beautiful,
That's it.
right?
In front of chat. In front of the chat screen. Let's put it over there. Let's reassemble the pizza every time.
Oh, I forgot to do the. I need to check the headless for contact requests.
Aha.
There it goes.
A
It's
Czech
glued.
pizza.
Turning 20 in 4 hours, and I feel only that I'm close to. Wow. Only 20? Wow. It's quite a bite. Yeah.
It's still a roll.
Linux session went not that good, as you can see. Ah. Oh no. He got the grill.
Now we cook it.
You're making Tom feel old. Yes. Oh, it's cooked.
Nice.
Yum, yum, yum. I ate it with the table. With the... Whatever. Cardboard, yes. I'm scared of moving to cache on main system. Oh, it's burned.
Oh no.
Nutritious
Oops.
porcelain. Yeah. Oh, crunchy.
Let's put this back here.
Oh no, our table. It's broken. That reminds me, I put a table in here with the sun gun, and I forgot to make it ungrabbable, so you can just take it. And yesterday, someone just took it and just stick it on a wall. Like, so in the session, there was just a table on the wall like that. That was, yeah. Oh no, he's cooking the pizza with the box. Yum, yum, yum.
Boom.
Boom. What?
You wouldn't dare spin me.
FK for me, bicycle time with Darius. Ooh, okay. Yeah, fun.
I've got bubbles.
He's got bubbles. I've got bubbles as well. I'm supposed to receive a package that FedEx assures me will arrive by end of day. It's 19 past. I think they lied to me. Oh no, murder on stream? What do you mean? No murders on stream.
Where?
It's past 19 is what I meant. Yeah. Cleaning, yes, exactly. Yeah. Bubbles. Where does this shotgun come from? My inventory.
Someone put it
Someone
in
in
the
the dog.
dishwasher.
And told them out to get us? Yes. The
Here's a
power
shotgun.
of having an inventory. Wow.
Here's a shotgun, but someone put it through the dishwasher. That's why it's blowing bubbles.
VR chat users could never. Mad Dog go beyond the VRC dome. Wow. Die, dynamite. Die, dynamite. Oh. I like this song. I mean, I like all the Powerwolf songs, but yeah.
Dynamite.
Metal's good. Power metal is good. Damn, running out of topics to talk about. Meh. Damn. Fruit. Fruit, yes.
Fruit.
¿Qué kisses? What? Where? Wow. Men holding hands? What a topic. Men holding hands.
Wow.
Hmm. And they were roommates, yes. I wish there was someone I could hold hands with.
Same. But I can't control my hands. It sounds wrong. Oh,
No
wow,
hands.
it's Avatar.
Wait, that would be possible now. Bubbles that correctly stick to skinned meshes. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Yes. That's kind of gay. I don't care. Opinion on doing BF stuff on public, like holding hands, kissing, maybe. The first, let me issue this. I don't like holding hands is perfectly fine. I don't care. Kissing is fine if it's not like full like making out. I don't want to see that. Like, and I don't care if it's two guys, two girls, or like guy and a girl. I don't care who it is. I don't want to see people just making out in public. Like giving someone a kiss is fine. Holding hands is perfectly okay. 2 tom-tams. There is only one of me. Thank you. Not just breathe in the nose or forehead. Where? No.
For this. But also,
7 tom-tams. Wow.
yeah, 6, maybe 7 tom-tams.
Wow. Why? Same brain. Wow. Jail. Why?
Yeah. I know it's a stupid meme, but it's at least one that doesn't bother me.
I don't care about that brain. About that meme, I read the message brain. Yeah. I bought iPhone 6s on purpose. Wow. Yeah. Thank you, Tom Tam. Wow. Wah. I mean,
Yeah.
you don't get free maid dress. No.
And you can't do that in VR chat.
No.
In VR chat, it takes about a minute to load if it doesn't crash. And no one else will be able to see you because their cache is full.
Public avatar soon, so everyone can be Tom Tam. You also can't hear his dealer in the chat. Yeah, I didn't save that meme anytime. Well, I need to grab it somewhere. I can't make my avatar public. I don't have the rights.
Oh yeah, it's just a license. Paid for license.
And why would anyone want to be me? You know how annoying it is to be me? You don't want that. You'll do what? Wow. Wow.
Yeah, you run the risk of one day going to a con or something, and someone comes up to you and it's like, "Who are you? You're not the real Tom Tam. Tom Tam has an American accent."
No. No, Tom Tom has a weird mix of Czech, Welsh, English, American, and German accents.
And puppy accents.
And puppy. My accent is so weird that a lot of people guess that I am Norwegian. Okay, where? What? Where? KD. KD is good. It's a good desktop environment. I had someone guess I'm like Dutch or something. Huh.
I think it was
I mean, what? I mean, people on Resonite are better at guessing where I'm from because they have like frame of reference. They know Frooks, and so then they more often guess that I'm Czech. But yeah, I touch only i3 and Mate so far. I had a Czech person who didn't know I was Czech. Guess I'm like that. Damn. Okay. I mean, when I was back, when I came back to Czechia for just for a holiday, a couple years back, when I was still living in Wales, I like even now I'm still stuck in English. So I just went through, like I was on I was going on a train, and oh right. I was in a train station in Brno, I think, and I went to a shop to buy something
I like
to buy water or whatever. I like trains, yes. And I still had some of my like Czech currency
like
that I
trains.
that I had in my wallet for like 2 years at that point, and I wanted to pay with it, and then they said like, you can't pay with this. You need to get that changed. I was like, what? Sorry, and like replied to them in English, and they like didn't know what to do and just took the money. And then later I learned that the banknotes got updated and whatever, and I couldn't use the money I had, but because they thought I was a tourist, they just took the money and I didn't have to deal with it. And then on the then on the train, I was like, well, that was fun. Let me pretend I'm not from around here. And I just was talking with someone in English and they didn't know I was Czech, and it was fun. I was like, oh, they're going to notice the accent. No, that it's not going to work. No one knew.
Accents are funny. I saw a video. Apparently, the people living in Antarctica also has their own unique accent that they're developing.
Yeah.
but I think it's you adopt your accent or adapt your accent to whoever you're speaking it to so they can better understand you. I think it's like that.
I've done that before in some cases when almost people start asking me for things. I pretend not to understand them. Yeah. Oh, I wonder, did you make the pet mod on Minecraft yourself? No, I found that.
Oh, is your Minecraft up yet?
Skirt. No.
Oh.
Wow. Crazy kid gave me a skirt. Wow. I was playing around with like different mods and trying to figure out a mod pack to put on a server that I could make like a community server, but skirts do stack, yes. Let me tell you of this nice other game called Vintage Story, even though you already know it. Vintage Story is good, yeah. The physics, there is, it's not set up. It's part of the joke. Vintage Story mentioned, yeah, Vintage Story is good. I could set up a server for Vintage Story. And Vintage Story, we could play even vanilla. Vintage Story is good enough that it doesn't need mods.
No, you probably have two of them on. Or grab one.
Yeah.
Still got one on.
It was a pain to set up. Me and Glitch just got through our first winter, and I made iron. Nice. I made it bloom. Hell yeah. I should get back into, but I should try Vintage Story again because there were a couple updates since I last played. Iron after first winter? I know, right? Damn. There's one skirt, two skirts, and they are still attached to my hip.
I am a lamp.
Iron during first winter. Wow. Oh, hi, Decoy. Tell me your magic tricks, Magic Fairy Man. Wow. Playing with Glitch. That's the magic. Skirt maxing stream? Wow. Dig. Yeah. It depends completely on chat. Reject humanity, become a lamp. Wow. If there's not a hole, make one. Right. Do you play with like the terrain or whatever collapse? Then you need to make support structures. Use prospecting pick. Yes, prospecting pick is good. Important. Huh? Like there is a setting in Vintage Story that you need cave-ins, yeah. That you need to support the stone. Like support whatever so it doesn't collapse. And I never really played with the lore stuff. We're all one I love. First playthrough. Right, yeah. Yeah, it's one of the settings when you're creating a world that you can turn on cave-ins. Vintage Story sounds like Rectech, and I already don't have the brain cells to play vanilla Minecraft. Wow! Vintage Story is fun! And the bird is smart enough. I think you could figure it out. My idea of fun is stepping on an arrow within 15 milliseconds. Right. Yes. Hmm.
I'm gonna ask a dumb question. Is it a Minecraft mod?
Well,
Vintage Story.
no, it's a separate game. It's also like voxel based, so it's like Minecraft, but it's a separate game.
Where is it?
They have their own store.
Okay, so it's not on Steam. Okay.
No. We recently looked into how the whole world gen works with the climate zones in our server, and I adjusted the setting of distance to equator, and it went super funky with chunk transition. Nice. It used to be a mod, but the dev wanted more and made it into his own game. Yeah. I don't know if it was inspired by a Minecraft mod that I can't remember the name now. But I guess Hazel might know better. I don't know if it was like the developer themselves, like of the mods. I don't know. Vintage Story is fun. It's just there's so much you can do. And then there is like stuff like you can make windmills and stuff, and I never got to that point. And Vintage Story seems like a game that's really like that would be really fun in multiplayer. I made a windmill, it grinds stuff for free, hell yeah. Beans, you demand beans? I think I folded. I feel you kind of need to play it in multiplayer. It's gonna be rough. I only ever played in single player. And I never played Hytale, so I don't know, DK.
Beans. Whoa.
Meow. Now you get beans. How did you not die? Well, playing in single player. Yeah. Spoon. I did die a couple times and I had to restart, but eventually I got to a point where I could play.
Launcher. It doesn't.
Yeah, in wow. In Vintage Story, like if you don't prepare for winter, you will starve.
I have no depth perception.
Oh, I really want full body tracking. It'd be so good. Femur breaking chair. Yes.
I've got beans.
Oh my god, I need to
Yeah.
send you what Whisper just transcribed. Wow. Okay. It's just a pain when you have a lot of people because we currently have this one guy who has no obligations and plays like 16 hours a day. You log off in October, and when you log back in, it's suddenly December, middle of winter. Right, yeah. Mwah.
Oh, this is better. Well,
Those beans are dead. Tum cute? No, Lupo is cute. Hi. Get shouted out. Go follow Lupo City. Yeah. Tum too cute? Wow. Wow. Merp. Wow. Wow. There's a merp. I mean, find the lie. Wow. Wow. Me? Cute? Nah, I think you're confusing me with a different pupper. Okay, let me see what Flux sent. Ah? Huh. What? Merp. I'm random. Oh my god. I don't know where. Wow. He ate the cake.
slice this time.
Hmm?
Just a slice.
Wow.
There's more. You see, you see, chat, this is what happens if you leave a cake out where a puppy can get it.
Tom is the show leader. Wow. Yum yum yum. Hi, Maureen. Why are you panicking? Wah. Hi.
Chat, you can have one too.
What? I have too many veggies in the fridge. Oh no.
You should make a Czech pizza.
Yeah. Eating your cake? Well, eating a cake. Cake. I don't know. Yeah. I don't have dough, unfortunately. make use bread instead of dough. Just put everything on bread and then bake it.
I've done that before. If you pretend it's pizza, then it's pizza.
Leek toast, yeah. Sounds diabolical. Why? You can just grab bread, put whatever you would put on a pizza, bake that, and it's nice. You know, put the tomato base, put whatever you like on pizza, put cheese on it, bake it, eat it, yum yum yum. I might make brownies after the stream. I have like a mix for brownie, so I don't even have to do anything. I just add water, mix it, put it on a thing, and bake brownies. And I wanted to make them for like the past 2 months, and I haven't gotten around to it.
There's your bread.
Bread.
There's your leek.
Leek. Yeah.
Just lay it flat.
Chef
Voila.
ready.
Gordon Ramsay.
Bread. Yes.
No, this is a Bappler pizza.
Poplar pizza.
Is there cheese? Need cheese.
Hatsune Miku, what? Where did that come from?
I think this is enough cheese.
I don't know. Is that enough cheese? No, wait. There.
No, it's a leek pizza sandwich.
You know, Miku? I mean, yes, guess you're old enough. Wow.
Cookies.
I'm only 20, almost. Wow.
There's a waffle.
Sorry, tripped out. What? You know, I feel like. You feel like what? Kids nowadays is going to be like. I hate the way you type them. Hatsune Miku from Fortnite. Oh no.
There you go. All packaged.
Yes.
Cookie's mine.
He claimed the cookie. All ready to eat. Send a missile. Wow. EP. I don't know, with like Fortnite, I feel like they put everything in it. I never played it, but like every time people say something, some like random character, they are in Fortnite. Like, what is Fortnite at this point? Like, what? Time for you to play it? Oh no, I don't know. No, no, I don't want to. Don't make me. No. You can play with Ziv. Oh no, no. Don't make Ziv play Fortnite. No. Plus, I feel like Ziv would be way too good to play with me. He would yeah. What do you mean? Ziv plays Fortnite. Ziv plays Fortnite? You haven't played it on stream? Oh no! Why?
Unfriend.
Why? Why? I kind of missed it, or I forgot. I don't know. I'm tired. Do you still question the mind of someone who plays what? No tail? What? No what?
Nostale.
No tail.
I don't know what that is.
Me neither. Maple Story Classic? I don't know that. Meh. I get it, I'm a boomer. What? What? You're not that what? What? Wow. No Tales an old MMORPG. Okay. Okay. Hmm. I don't know many MMORPGs. I would never played any of them, so yeah. Play some. How about no. Ragnarok Online, my beloved. Wow.
I'd like to
See, I
play
don't know
some
that
old
one.
stuff. I'd like to play some old stuff, but I never have time.
Hmm. I mean, I like Age of Empires 2 and Open TCD. You know, speaking of old games, like or like the Settlers 4. Yeah, I like my old games. But MMORPGs, I never played any. There are some rumors that the makers of Kingdom Come Deliverance are working on a Lord of the Rings MMO. Huh. Warhorse working on Lord of the Rings MMO? I mean, I guess. I guess it's possible. I always I wished I could work for Warhorse Studios because of the legend of I forgot his name. Damn. My brain is not braining. I feel like I almost have it, but I can't.
Legend of League.
The Warhorse guy. Yeah, the Warhorse guy. He wrote Mafia 1, Mafia 2. I mean, I don't think they used this script for Mafia 2, but he wrote Mafia 1.
That's another game on my list I still need to play. Well, all of the Mafias. Except for the newest one, because...
Back from Bicycle Time? Hell yeah, welcome back. Daniel Wavra, thank you. Yeah. Where are the pronouns coming from? What?
In chat.
People in chat have pronouns. Right. There is a service that you can set your pronouns. I don't remember
It's an extension, Twitch chat pronouns.
Yeah, there's an extension for it. Yeah, I don't. You can probably find it. Yeah, but I wanted to work with Daniel Wavra, but then the more I learn about the guy, the less I wanna be associated with him. So yeah.
I'm gonna post a link. It's probably going to warn me. Yeah. So who wants to dance? Stop posting links.
Yeah. I've said my pronouns like ages ago and then didn't touch it, so I forgot what it's called, but yeah, that's it. I'm always confused if links are allowed. Twitch links are allowed, like clips, but yeah. Other links get deleted.
But
Wow. What is that? Dead? Why are you dead, Roxas? Why? Not allowed.
Roxas, cute.
Roxas is cute. Yeah. You watching the stream? You're cute. Sorry, I don't make the rules.
Oh no.
I mean, if I should do what you did and post them anyway. Right. I mean, it depends on the link. I feel like I'm having a sore throat. Oh no.
Yeah, I would say don't post it if it looks sassy.
Yeah.
I mean, even that link looks a bit sassy, but it's trustable.
I mean, I know this link, and before it was the Resonite render GitHub page. So yeah, I know those links, so I posted them anyway. But like, it depends on the link. Most links, no.
No, you.
Yeah,
You.
it's a Uno card. Wow. Mm. Well, anyway, I think I will end the stream here. Go looking for someone to raid.
Mm,
Oh, let's go raid Ziff. Yeah.
nah.
Yeah, and everyone, thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support. I'm happy I could catch a stream. I'm happy you are here. Yay. Yeah, thank you everyone for being here. Thank you for chatting. If you're not already in the Discord, you can do !Discord to join. There's a bunch of goobers there that you can chat with. If you want to find my other links to my other socials, you can do !website. There's all the links there. And yeah, otherwise I will see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Take some
Wow.
cake with.
Wow.